Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, pick one niche and commit 30 days. Use your phone and a free CMS to publish, stop planning, begin producing. Record interviews, file notes, and post 3 short pieces within 2 weeks so you build momentum and feedback. Once done, track what gets reads and adjust headlines. Make sure to log contacts, timestamps, and permissions. This immediate output proves capability, creates clips, and forces improvement faster than waiting for a degree or permission. You focus on craft and reach now. Practice interviewing and strict fact-checking while learning AP style and basic audio/video editing. Build a consistent schedule, publish weekly, and create short social clips to funnel readers to a newsletter. Pitch small outlets with tailored ideas. Volunteer at community events to meet sources and names. Make sure to collect clips and testimonials. Once you have a few proven pieces and a small audience, you can negotiate paid assignments or ask for byline. You wrap up by turning work into income and reliability. Send targeted freelance pitches with clips, set $/assignment targets, and approach local publications for regular slots. Build a simple portfolio site and one-page media kit with contact info and best clips. If things stall, audit your workflow. Check hit rates on pitches, ask mentors to review 3 pieces, and pivot beats or formats based on data. The quick troubleshooting step: ask for feedback and change one variable. Repeat until traction improves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.